All right, changing the Jeep's hood lift gate shocks. So these are the shocks, and there's one on the opposite end over there. Right now we're using this to hold this thing up, and this is the second one. So I just want to show you guys that this lift gate shocks for the hood does not hold this up, and we need to change them to hold it up. And what we're gonna do is, let me show you first what's going on. And alright, so if you're gonna take this off, you see that it just falls back down, it's not holding itself up. So we're gonna put that back up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna change this side first. So this is very simple. What you do is you get a flathead screwdriver, you yank that open. Make sure somebody holds this for you. Even though we have that in there, that's fine. Be careful, this thing will shoot out. You just want to take it out just like he had it out. No, you had it out already. You just want to let it come out. No. This thing, yank it out. When it comes out a little bit, and that's it, it releases. Just make sure it doesn't hit you in the eyes or anything, because that thing is like a spring loaded. No, but you haven't got this out yet. You have, remember it was standing out before, earlier? Let it stand out on its own. There you go. Now see, this is standing out. Let it go.
See, not coming out.
Yeah, it clipped it back in. So you can just take it out completely. Throw it out. Take it out and throw that little thing out. See, it fell down there. This is a little retainer.
Gotta bring the little bit of slot.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this. Can you take this off? Take that off. I'm gonna hold the hood for you. I'm gonna hold the hood for him. There you go. It fell out on its own. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the one in the bottom back too, and now we're gonna put little grease on these little ball joint things here. You clean it up a little bit, wipe it down, put a little bit of grease. Grease. Put a little bit of grease on both ends. You can stick grease inside the little shock. It's up to you. Either way is fine. So we're gonna take grease, clean that up. That looks good right there. We'll just scrub some grease on that, just like we have it on this one. And now the new shock should just clip right in. Make sure you get the correct side down. They're both the same thing. Just like that. Yeah.
You gotta turn.
You can turn it later, once it's in there. You can turn it later. So you stick it in there and you clip it in. There you go. In the top, you stick it in and push it in. That's it. Even this one is holding, but we're gonna change the other side also. So we're gonna come over. And we're gonna do the same thing here. You're gonna use your flathead. Screwdriver and yank that little clip out of there. Same thing in the bottom. We're gonna clean this side also and put a little bit of grease on it. We'll clean that up and clean the one in the bottom inside, and we'll put some grease on that and we'll stick it back up. Little bit of grease on the top, a little bit in the bottom. It's a regular grease. And that's it. Now what we can do is we'll take the little shock, stick it in there. and then you could twist it, triangulate, and
Oh.
you stick it on the top, and that's it. That's how you change the lift gate shocks. It's like 10-minute job. See, now it goes up on its own. Watch your head. It's in. It's clicked in. So if you do this, and you let it go, it goes back up on its own.